Have you ever felt tired, even after sleeping well? Or notice your hair falling out more than usual? Or you're observing your skin acting up? Or your legs doing midnight dance without your permission? What if I told you your body is not just misbehaving, it's actually sending you messages like a low battery warning on your phone? And the scary part, most people ignore the signs until the system starts shutting down. So today, I'm going to show you 10 warning signs your body is lacking essential nutrients and exactly what to do about it. Trust me, by the end of this video, you start listening to your body like never before. Hello my health heroes, welcome back to Global Nurse Grace, where real nursing meets real life. Think of your body like a high performance machine. If you don't give it the right fuel, it won't just slow down, it will start breaking down quietly. So let's decode those warning signs together. The first indication that your body is lacking essential nutrients is when you observe constant fatigue, even after rest. You sleep, you wake up, and still feel like you ran a marathon in your dreams. Your body may be lacking iron, vitamin B12, or magnesium. And why does this happen? That happens because these nutrients help carry oxygen and produce energy. Without them, your body is basically running on low power mode. So what should you do? Eat mollific greens, beans, eggs, fish, and nuts. And please, don't skip meals like you're doing intermittent fasting without permission. No. Next up, frequent headaches. Not every headache is stress or village people low. It could be magnesium deficiency or dehydration. And why does this happen? Magnesium actually helps relax blood vessels. Without it, tension will build up. What should you do? Drink enough water, eat bananas, nuts, and whole grains. The third sign that may indicate nutrient deficiency is hair falling out excessively. You're not just combing your hair, you're harvesting it. Your body might be lacking iron, protein, or biotin. And why does this happen? Because hair needs nutrients to grow strong. And without them, your body says, hey, no, it's not a priority now. What should you do? Increase protein, like your eggs, beans, fish, and iron-rich foods, okay? The next indication of nutrient deficiency is when you're observing cracked lips and mouth corners. You see that painful crack that refuses to heal? That could be vitamin B2, which is riboflavin, or iron deficiency. And why does this happen? Because your skin cells need these nutrients to repair. And what should you do? Add milk, eggs, green vegetables, and whole grains to your diet. Now the fifth sign of a nutrient deficiency, brittle nails. If you see your nails breaking faster than promises, you may be lacking biotin, iron, or zinc. And why does this happen? Nails are made of protein. And if you're having a weak supply of protein, it means you'll be seeing weak nails. And what should you do? Eat nuts, seeds, eggs, and legumes. The sixth sign of a nutrient deficiency, muscle cramps, especially at night. You see those sudden fire alarm cramps in your legs. They are often caused by low magnesium, potassium, or calcium. And why does this happen? Because these nutrients actually control muscle contraction and relaxation. And what should you do? Eat bananas, include dairy in your meals, leafy greens, and digest properly, because these little things are actually your best friends. The seventh indication of a nutrient deficiency is pale skin. Are you looking unusually pale, even when you're fine? This could be iron deficiency, known as anemia. And why does this happen? Less iron means less oxygen in your blood, and this will make you to see dull skin or even pale skin. And what should you do? Eat iron-rich foods. Remember to combine the iron-rich foods with vitamin C for better absorption. The eighth sign of a nutrient deficiency is tingling or numbness. You see that pins and needles feeling in your hands or your feet? That may be due to vitamin B12 deficiency. And why it happens? Because vitamin B12 actually supports nerve health. And without vitamin B12, signals may get disrupted. So what should you do? Eat eggs, fish, dairy, or consider supplements if needed. Before you start the supplementation or before you start taking supplements, meet your healthcare provider. Don't take drugs by yourself, please. The ninth indication of a nutrient deficiency is frequent infections. If you're catching every cold C, D, or zinc. And why does this happen? It means your immune system needs these nutrients to fight infection. And what should you do? Think of your citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, okay, sunlight, vegetables, and even nuts. The 10th indication of a nutrient deficiency is poor concentration and a brain fog. If you see yourself walking into a room and you forget why you went there in the first place, this could be lack of omega-3, iron or vitamin B. And why does this happen? It means your brain needs nutrients to function properly. And what should you do? Eat fish, nuts, seeds, and balanced meals. Now pause for a second. Which of these signs have you been ignoring? Tell me in the comment section. Let's talk about it. And if you're learning something new, don't forget to like this video. It helps more people see it. My health heroes, your body is not your enemy. It's your best communicator. Every headache, every fatigue, every strange symptom is like your body sending you a WhatsApp message saying, please help me, help me, help me, help me. Don't mute it, don't ignore it, respond early, and your body will thank you later. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to Global Nurse Press and turn on notifications, because here we don't just talk, we live it. And as you go about your day today, listening a little more closer to your body, just know that I'm truly grateful you spend this moment learning with me. See you in the next video.